about 3 weekends left to the ski season. Now is the time to come and make the most of it right until the end. We are open every day until April 21st. This week, our operation had to adapt to the changing weather condition to provide skiers and snowboarders with the best ski condition as possible. We currently have close to 70 trails open on the south, north and Soleil side, and we aim at having as many trails as possible for the weekend. The edge side, for its part, is closed for the season. For our snow parks, we still have over 40 modules and jumps open in the Adrenaline, Progression and Mythic Park. Plus, as of this Monday, April 7, all new 25-26 Tonic and Icon Pass holders will be able to come and ski and enjoy the rest of the season. You can now get yours online at the best price of the year. Finally, this weekend, après-skiing continue in the pedestrian village and on the north side with a musical atmosphere and great vibes. See you on the slopes this weekend!